Aladdin Creations.
Welcome to Aladdin Creations. In this video, we continue our hematology series by exploring a key abnormal red blood cell type, ovalocytes. What are ovalocytes? Ovalocytes are red blood cells that have an elliptical or oval shape instead of the normal biconcave disc. These cells appear elongated, like an egg or an ellipse, and may vary in degree of elongation depending on the cause. Although they may appear similar to elliptocytes, ovalocytes are broader and less tapered. Why do ovalocytes form? Ovalocytes often result from abnormalities in the red blood cell membrane's cytoskeletal proteins, which affect the cell's flexibility and shape maintenance. Causes of ovalocytes include iron deficiency anemia, thalassemia, hereditary elliptocytosis, myelodysplastic syndromes, and occasionally megaloblastic anemia. The shape alteration reflects an underlying disorder in hemoglobin synthesis or membrane stability. Ovalocytes in the lab. Under the microscope, ovalocytes are easily distinguishable by their uniform oval shape, and they usually lack the central pallor seen in normal red blood cells. A peripheral blood smear shows a high percentage of these cells in certain anemias, especially iron deficiency or thalassemia. In hereditary conditions, more than 25% of red cells may be ovalocytes. Clinical significance. Recognizing ovalocytes in a blood smear is vital for early diagnosis of conditions like iron deficiency, where treatment can reverse the cell abnormality. In inherited forms like hereditary elliptocytosis, ovalocytes may persist throughout life. In summary, ovalocytes are a common yet important finding in hematology. Their presence helps pinpoint disorders related to hemoglobin synthesis or red cell membrane defects. Thanks for watching Aladdin Creations. Stay tuned for the next episode in our Abnormal Red Blood Cells series. Don't forget to subscribe for more medical and laboratory learning content.